Hey guys! We've shown many amazing devices on this channel, but today's video takes things a step further. While modern tech can be quite impressive, some products are truly remarkable. Welcome to Future Tech. In this video we will take a look at 5 gadgets and inventions for 2020 that you can buy now. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with all of our future uploads. Introducing Wearbuds Pro, the world's first on-wrist charging, true wireless earbuds. The innovative design allows you to charge your earbuds on the go without a case. They are securely stored on your wrist, ready for whenever you need them. It was a great challenge to make these earbuds as small as possible, giving them a great battery life. They also had to be specially designed to fit perfectly into the wristband. Soundscape: wherever you go you can pop out either earbud to make hands-free phone calls easy and fast. The reinvented band not only stores and charges your earbuds, it's also a powerful fitness band that counts your steps and calories burned and monitors your heart rate and sleep patterns. And coated with special protective layers, the wristband stays clean and dry throughout all your outdoor activities. It's time to stop compromising your experience with so-called true wireless earbuds. Cut the invisible wire now once and for all. The MOJIETU Swift Smart Boxing Gloves with 6-axis motion sensor and patented algorithms track your every motion and tell your performance with unique lighting effects, all in real time. You can enjoy online programs and professional instructions and review your workout summaries on the app. MOJIETU Swift brings the boxing gym to your home. Track straight, hook and uppercut intensity, power, and pacing data in real time. Full RGB lighting effects reflect your immediate workout performance. Easily capture and share training moments. Encourage yourself to push your limits for every workout. Introducing MOJIETU Lightning, a smart and portable tire inflator. It delivers up to 150 psi that can be used for inflating car tires, bike tires, sport balls, beach balls, swim rings, air mattresses and other inflatables, etc. MOJIETU Lightning is portable, yet powerful to meet all your inflation needs. Offer you the easiest way to fast inflate a car tire in 9 minutes. MOJIETU Lightning has an accurate, easy-to-read built-in pressure gauge. Simply connect the nozzle to the valve of the tire and it will auto-detect the pressure level. The LCD indicator will give you more precise readings, and you can even read the real-time pressure easily in total darkness. This is Blocc. It's designed to be easily worn like glasses. Blocc covers your eyes, nose and mouth, the main pathways where infections enter your body. It works as a barrier when you subconsciously reach for these parts and draws your attention whenever you fall into your habits. Blocc's ergonomic design provides a comfortable fit, whether you wear glasses, a mask or both. It allows for proper airflow, making Blocc suitable when you go for a run, and also works as a wind deflector when you ride your bike, while ensuring functionality. It doesn't compromise style, so you can feel comfortable wherever you go. Blocc is reusable. Simply wash it thoroughly with soap water and dry with soft clothes. Although it's not designed for healthcare or laboratory settings, Blocc is made of clear polycarbonated durable material used to make protective goggles. The prototypes are finished and the tooling has begun. What's left is your support to bring Blocc to life. Stay safe and let's block the virus. SIRUI creates a new 35mm anamorphic lens. The SIRUI 35mm lens price tag will be $659. The SIRUI 35mm f1.8 1.33x anamorphic lens spreads the horizontal field of view up to 33% for an equivalent 26.3mm focal length. The new SIRUI lens is constructed of aircraft aluminium for a lightweight design. More details of SIRUI 35mm lens, visit Indiegogo, link in description.